build my water recycle system. Welcome to my channel again. This time I would like to show you how to assemble a water pump. Water pump is a device which is used to pump water from lower ground to higher ground and then recycle the water back to the water tank. While water can be pumped to higher level. This is because the pump creates a pressure difference and thus water can be pushed by atmospheric pressure to go upward. In Hong Kong, we live in high-rises. We need water supplied from the ground to our homes for drinking, washing, and cleaning. Thus, water pumps play a significant role. This is the unit that I would like to demonstrate to you. The main components of this unit include the rocket, foam ball, pump, shaft, cap, gearbox, battery compartment, plastic tubes, spring connectors, extended stands, on-off switch, box base, and the water tank. There are 11 steps to assemble the water pump. Step 1. Push the foam ball into the rocket body. Then assemble rocket head, rocket body, and rocket stand together. Step 2. Connect the two plastic tubes with the rocket body. Step 3. Assemble shaft and plastic tubes into the left and right sides of the pump. Step 4. Assemble the cap and the gearbox. Step 5. Assemble the pump with the shaft and the gearbox, then put into the appropriate holes of the box base. Step 6. Use the plastic tubes connecting to rockets and put into the appropriate holes of the box base. Step 7. Assemble the battery compartments and on-off switch into the appropriate holes of the box base. Step 8. Put the 3 spring connectors to the box base. Step 9. Use the 2 extended stands to connect the box base with the water tank. Step 10. Connect the wires with the 3 spring connectors. Step 11. Insert 2 AA batteries to the battery compartment. Before switching on the unit, fill the rocket body with water to a level slightly higher than the lower hole of the rocket body. Turn the switch on. The motor in the gearbox converts electricity to mechanical motion. The gears transmit the mechanical motion to the pump in which a negative pressure is created. As a result, the atmospheric pressure becomes the positive pressure and pushes the water from the water tank through the pump to the rocket. During this process, you can see the foam ball floating in the rocket and even pushes away the rocket head. Finally, water in the rocket recycles back to the water tank. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye!